This question says ABC supermarket is selling pencils, pens, books, and lunch boxes. And cost of those items are also given. 10 rupees per pencil, 24 pen, book is 50, and lunch box is 250. Then, so number of pens, let's say 2 pens, 2 into 20. 3 pencils, 3 into 10. So that's the pencil total. Lunchbox total. So one is 250 rupees, and if there are like 8 lunch boxes, 8 into 250. Then books 50. So book price is 50, and let's say 2 books, 2 into 50. And then you can find the total lunch box price, total pencil price, total book price, and total pen price. After finding the total, you can add them together to find out the bill. And then you can display the bill and stop this. Okay, this is my flow chart. You can draw that. This is my flow chart. And so I have a key here. Actually, I have explained a key. That means how I have named that. Books, lunch boxes. Okay. Pens, number of pens. Pencils, number of pencils. Books, number of books. Lunch boxes, number of lunch boxes. And then the total of each, and then bill is the total value. You can write the flow chart like this, and the pseudocode will be this. Let's write the Python code now. You have to write the question and write the answer, right? So please write the question. Also take a screenshot of the question. Question ke screenshot takad daga, please take a screenshot of the question. Take a screenshot of the question. Okay, now you can write this. This is the answer. If you have finished writing, please raise your hand. Let's try to do this using Python now. Python program. You can open a Python programming. You can start this with me. Start IDLE, similar to the last day work. Please start IDLE. Then inside the IDLE, please write down. So take a new file first. Take a new file. And there, please write down the same thing. Input pens, pencils, books, and lunch boxes. Input. You can say pens, pencils, books, lunch boxes. So pens equal integer input, that means a number, enter number of pens. Enter number of pens, then enter number of pencils, enter number of books, and enter number of lunch boxes. Enter number of pencils. Here enter number of books. Here enter number of lunch boxes. Note that you can't keep spaces in between this variable name. Here the variable name should be a single one word, right? It should be single word or one word, no spaces. So you cannot write lunch equal box, lunch space boxes. That is wrong. So it should be lunch boxes. So then how to find the value? Say please, let's say pen total. Just write pen total, pencil total, then books total, lunchbox total. So that should be so similar to this. Pens total equal pen into 20 because one pen is cost you 20 rupees. Pencil total equal pencils into 10 because one pencil will cost you 10 rupees. Books total will be books into 50 because one will cost you 50, and lunchbox total equal lunchboxes into 250 because lunchbox is somewhat expensive, is 450, and the total bill is equal to pen total plus pencil total, pencil total plus books total plus lunchbox total. Finally, you can display or print total bill. Print total bill. Okay, let's save this. Bill calculation .python, and let me run this run module. It's asking number of pens, number of pencils, number of books, number of lunch boxes, and it's calculating the total for us. Actually, to make it more meaningful, what I can do is I can just say, when I start, I can display the supermarket name, print. So let's print some equal signs. Then again, and in between that, you can say ABC supermarket bill. Let's just hash. These are actually the decorative things that you can add to the bill. ABC supermarket bill. Then after that, new line. Then entering these things. Then some dashes. These are to decorate the page, right? Then some equal signs. Here you have to say bill, total bill, then colon, few tabs, and str, the total bill. Str means convert to text, because total bill is a number. I'm converting that to text because I'm going to add this to this text. Text plus text can be added, right? Text to text එකතු කරන්න පුළුවන්. So that is called concatenation. So we saw last day, text plus another text can be added. Numbers can be added, and not only numbers, text can be added. But text addition is not a mathematical calculation, it is logical operation, where the first word followed by the second word will be displayed. Okay, so let's run this. Now bill looks like a real bill which was generated in highway or maybe Keels or Cargills. This is how it looks like. Not the same, but some structural changes are like that. You can see the bill is calculated and displayed. Okay, please do this. Quickly do this. Let me know once you're done. Pens not defined. Name pens. I think capital P, simple P issue. So close it. Yes, you can see here the first one capital P, but the second variable attempt that you are using simple P here. Can you make this capital P and run it? Here also you will get the same issue. Pencil. This pencil should come here. So should be pen, not pencil total, Pute, pencil just pencil here. You have used pencil. That pencil you have to multiply by 10. It's not pencil total, no, it's just pencil. Understand here, whatever you are getting, these inputs only you have to multiply. So pens is correct. Book is correct. Lunchbox is correct. But pencil here, it's pencil total. It should be only pencil. L is there. Don't erase L. L should be there. Not capital L, it's simple L, right? Now run it. Run module, yes. Okay, save it and run it. Okay, give the values and see. Okay, you are getting bill total TT this. So why this N and T's are coming? Close this.